Hello everyone, and welcome to Best Offer Point, AI Deals. In this video, I'm going to explain how WordPress websites are created from start to finish in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This video is designed for anyone who wants to understand WordPress clearly, without technical jargon, and without feeling overwhelmed. If you're new to websites, don't worry. We'll go step by step. WordPress is a tool that allows you to create websites without writing code. Instead of manually programming pages, WordPress gives you a dashboard where you can add content and control your look. Today, WordPress powers a large percentage of websites across the internet, from blogs and portfolios to business websites and online stores. To understand WordPress properly, you need to understand three basic components: domain, hosting, and WordPress itself. First is the domain name. This is your website's address, what people type into the browser. Second is hosting. Hosting is the computer that stores your website files and makes them available online. Third is WordPress itself. WordPress connects your domain and hosting together and provides the interface you use to build your website. When these three work together, your website becomes live. Once WordPress is installed, you access it through something called the WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is the control panel of your website. From here, you can create pages, write blog posts, change your design, add features using plugins, and control important settings. WordPress uses something called themes to control design. A theme defines layout, fonts, colors, spacing, and overall visual style. You can change themes without losing your content, which makes WordPress very flexible. For beginners, it's always best to start with a clean, lightweight theme and customize it gradually. Many beginners get confused between pages and posts. Pages are used for static content like home, about, and contact. Posts are used for regular updates, such as blog articles or news. Understanding this difference helps you organize your website properly. Plugins are small tools that add extra features to your website. For example, plugins can help you add contact forms, improve security, speed up your website, or improve SEO. You don't need many plugins, only install what you actually need. Today, most people visit websites using their phones. That's why WordPress websites are designed to be responsive. This means they automatically adjust to different screen sizes. A good WordPress setup ensures your website looks good on desktop computers, tablets, and mobile phones. Learning WordPress is not about memorizing steps. It's about understanding how everything connects: domain, hosting, dashboard, pages, and design. Once you understand these basics, building websites becomes much easier. If this helped, please like and share with others who are learning. Comment below what topic you'd like next. For more clear explanations, follow Best Offer Point, AI Deals. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.